Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to do leaf stitch for hand embroidery. Leaf stitch is very similar to satin stitch, but the stitching goes in alternating directions, and as you can probably guess from the name, is quite commonly used to stitch things like leaves. So for my first stitch, I'm going to start just down from the top on my centre line, slightly further down. And then I'm going to bring my needle right to the top of my leaf. For my next stitch, I'm coming back in on the centre line, and then I'm going to take it just to the left of my first stitch. And I'm coming back again on the centre line. And this time I'm going to the right of my first stitch. And on the left. And on the right. And you carry on this pattern, working your way down the leaf. As you're going further down, your stitches will start to become not horizontal, but just slightly more horizontal. They're quite a almost vertical diagonal at the moment. And you keep filling the leaf in this fashion, and in the middle of the leaf you'll see it has a lovely sort of pattern to it as you go down the centre. It is really important to try and keep your stitches on that central line, otherwise you'll lose the definition of it. Now I'm just going to carry on and fill this in and then show you what it looks like at the end. I'm just over halfway through my leaf. I had to thread a new needle. I ran out of thread, and I just wanted to remind you that if you do have to do that, try and make sure you remember where your last stitch ended, if it was left or right, otherwise it's not going to look right. So mine was on the left, so my next stitch is going to carry on the right. So you can see how the centre line of the leaf, almost like the vein down the middle of the leaf, is forming and how it really looks quite effective. And you'll also see how the stitches, as we got further down, are angling slightly more downwards than they were when we started. And there we have our finished leaf stitched using leaf stitch. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more stitch tutorials and embroidery guides. Thank you.